Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So in this time I would like to share you how to make the AI UGC advertisement video with the AI influencer. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the UGC stands for the user generated contents. And have you ever watched the video advertisement like this?
Nothing can compete with the Immolent MS32's unmatched brightness. It beams an enormous
So can you believe that this video was fully made from the AI? And here we will try to make this by this Creatify AI. So the first step, you can searching for this Creatify AI from the Google Chrome here. And here to get a better look, I prefer to create it or access it from my PC. And you can simply click this and don't forget to do the login first with your email as usual. And after that, this will be the homepage of this Creatify AI. And for the new user, they will usually give you 10 credits like this. There are 10 credits or it equal to 2 videos. But if you run out of the credit, so you can start to try this package from the starter pro until the enterprise. And let's get started. To create the advertisement video with the UGC, you can click this create now. And after that, this section will help you to create the video simply from the link that show your product or into the marketplace link. For example, I would like to create the video from this perfume product. Thank you, Fragrantica. Don't forget to visit this link, guys. And after that, I will paste this link. And after that, you can continue to analyze the URL and let this AI to generate the information of this product. And as you can see, there are also the product's description, and also it will show you the several picture of this perfume. And if you would like to only show the several picture of the in the video advertisement, so you can select or unselect the picture. For example, I might delete this one. And you can also put the you can unselect the unnecessary perfume or unnecessary photo. And after that, you can continue to save product info smart asset. Let's see. If you would like to give the promotional info, so it will so you can choose the original price right here. For example, I will put it $20 to become $13. And after that, you can add the promotion details. For example, the new user to be 15% discount, and you can continue, click next, and kindly wait for the next process. And after that, you can choose the platform. You can choose the general or in another platform and choose the aspect ratio, the duration. For example, I will choose 15 seconds and the language is English. But if you would like to create this video into the another language, don't worry, because they will give you a lot of language, because it also depends on the target audience or your segmentation. And for example, I will select the target audience to be luxury fragrance collector and continue to click next and kindly wait for the process. And after this AI try to generate the script, so it will give you the several options of the script. For example, you would like to this video will have the tone like the exclusive drop, artisan trends, or sounds more transformative or refined presence. For example, I would like to choose this one, refined presence. Just click this on the front of this option. And the tone, for example, I will choose the super or professional tone. Click this and let this AI to generate the script. And after that, you can click next to have the another setting. And after that, this is the section that you can choose the person that would like to promote or explain about your product. And for example, I will choose this one. Oh, it is limited time access. Or for example, I will choose this. I might choose this Leila. And you can also choose the style or the location where Leila would like to promote your product. For example, I will choose this. Oh, it's indoor. It's better. And kindly wait for the process. I'm sorry, I might prefer to choose the another. I go back to this section and I prefer to choose the Benjamin to promote my product. Click this and click next and kindly wait and let this AI generate your avatar and the setting board, etc. And after that, this will be the look when you would like to create the video. And for example, I will choose this one and click render and kindly wait for the process of the rendering. As you can see that if you would like to remove the watermark, so you need to upgrade it into the Pro. And this is if this for your trial to know how to make the UGC advertisement video AI, you can click render video and kindly wait for the process. So the product or the video will be shown in this project. And for example, I will show you the example that I have done before. And you can start to play it. So this is the result, guys. It's ready.
Room. Lazulio delivers exceptional longevity with sophisticated.
As you can see that the explanation is quite natural and you can start to practice to use the UGC AI. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.